Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I guess you guys said she have on the same clothes that she had when she decorated the credenza. Yes, I do. I am shooting 2 videos in one day, guys. Yes, I want to give you more of me. Yes, more of me. But in today's video, I am going to be putting a little bit more of the eggs in here. You remember I said I may be doing more to this. Yes, I think I want to put more of the eggs in here, and also more of, I have some stems, just like the ones I have here in this floral arrangement here, that I want to place in here so this can pop off with this, because you notice it do have the same colors. They have the same colors in it, so I just want to make it more fuller because it's not full at all. So yes, that's what I'm doing now. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you will know when I am uploading new content, guys. So let's get into this video, putting more of the eggs in here. And also, I already got my gun already ready. So we're gonna get started on this, guys, so we can have a beautiful centerpiece for my dining room table when I decorate it. So guys, stay tuned.
Yep.
Hello and welcome to Beautiful Creations.
You mean to call you when you're turning me on? The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them the cinema, I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, no get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it up? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
I think it is real beautiful, adding more to it for Easter. It's more fuller. I have more eggs on it. As you can see, more eggs on it to make it more fuller. Yes, I love this, guys. I really do. I think this has more elements to it. Because I don't want much on the table. This, I don't know, I'm undecided whether to just do the centerpiece on the table just to have it just, you know, just clean, or just do a table escape. So, but you guys will know. So in the comments, what you think I should do? Should I do the table escape, or is just the centerpiece itself? But of course, I will be adding my candles here. So let me know in the comments what you think. That I should do for the table. Okay, yes guys, please let me know in the comments what you think I should do a table escape, because I just want to do something simple. So let me know what you think, and remember, be good or be good at. And I will see you guys in the next